travelers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Roaming Chronicles. Today I'm gonna take you guys to one of the most wonderful places I've seen so far here in Australia, and seems like people rarely visit here, and seems like not many people know about this place. Only the canyoneers and very experienced hikers know about this place. So I'm gonna tell you guys about this place. This is Butterbox Point. There is a canyon, and that is Mount Hay, just over there. Yep, just over here, that's Mount Hay, and over there that's the Butterbox Point. So the main thing that is popular in this area is the Butterbox Canyon, which is a canyon that needs like the most experienced hikers only can do that. Like you need to abseil down the rock using a rope, and then you have to swim through the water and then come back from the other side again, climbing up the rock wall, and it is really hard. Even I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to the Butterbox Point lookout and enjoy this area. Actually, I was stunned with these views, with this mountain, especially the mountain and the valley at the top. Wow, actually it is a really beautiful area. I was not expecting this kind of place here. Actually, I've been to Blue Mountain several times, you guys know that. I've been traveling around the Blue Mountain area and found so many beautiful places, and I can say this is one of the most beautiful places I've ever been. Like from here, just I'm still at the car park. You can see my car just down there, still in the car park, and I'm saying this is one of the most beautiful places I've visited. So let's get to the hike and see what we can find in here. Yeah, so let's get started. So guys, even though I'm not going to climb down the canyon, I came to the canyon starting accessing point, which you can see just down there. From there onwards you have to climb down using the rope, which is called abseiling, and you have to go through the canyon. There is a unavoidable swim down there, and it's a slot canyon, so you have to swim, climb up again. There is rock climbing, abseiling, hiking and swimming included in this hike. So if you have prior experience in abseiling and rock climbing, then this is your trail. But unfortunately I don't have that experience, and I'm not going to take that risk because I don't have those gears and I have never done those. So it is only for the experienced people. So let's go back to the main trail and follow through to the Butterbox Point. And I think you have noticed that there are a lot of flies around this area. So that is kind of a thing that I have to explain about this area. So this Mount Hay and Butterbox Point has a special scenario where the water flows upward from the mountain. So when the rain hits, the water goes down to the soil, right? So there is a very hard clay stone layer in this area, so the water can't pass through that. So the water comes up, and because of the geological formation of this area, the water can't flow down. So that creates a lot of swamps like this. You can see these areas. These are the swamps all around the top of the mountain, and that is very rare occasion, which they call the suspension of water coming up from the mountain and making swamps on top of the rock. So that is something important about this area. And another interesting fact, Mount Hay has a history of around 15,000 to 20,000 years of Aboriginal history in this area. So those are the two interesting facts that I found out about this area. So, and if you're coming for the hike, I have to say, be aware of snakes. So I have read some comments on the reviews that people saying that they have seen snakes around this area. I haven't encountered any snakes over here other than these flies, annoying flies, nothing else. So yeah, let's go to the Butterbox Point and talk about it later.